Hey y'all, this is Alan. I'm going to do a quick run through on how you can cite your references utilizing a citation machine. The one I really do like a lot is called Citefast.com. I'm going to look at Module 5, RAS 310 Module 5, and you can see here we're reading the article 12 different types of leadership styles, and there's the link. I'm going to highlight the link in a moment, but I'm going to go to a search engine and I'm going to type in Citefast.com, Citefast.com, and I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring up Citefast, www.citefast.com. It is one of the best that I've seen on the market. It's free and it does not have a lot of pop-ups compared to some of the other citation generators or machines out there. So for us, the default, we're going to use APA 7 if you have another class that you need to do MLA, but for us, everything is going to be APA 7. In order to use this, I'm going to ask you to go ahead, you need to go ahead and create an account where you put your first name, your last name. You can put your email account here at Newberry College and then create a password. If you already have one, then you can log in. When I log in, you can see there's my email address, my password. I'm going to log in. Anything that I've already created is going to be in the system already saved as different projects. But now I'm going to do or use APA 7th edition. I'm going to look at a web page and I'm going to go back to my discussion post, and you can see that we're looking at the 12 different styles of leadership, and I'm just going to highlight that link, or I can actually go to that link, making sure it does open it up, and there it is. And there's the 12 different types of leadership, and I want to use this and cite this for my discussion post. Well, I'm going to highlight and then I'm going to copy. Then I am going to go back to my Citefast.com, and I am going to now enter that URL by clicking in here, right click and then hit paste, and then I'm going to search. As you can see here, current citation, not saved. I see it's here, but I'm going to walk you through. The author, not available. The date it was published, the name of the document, 12 different types of leadership styles. Documents should be sensitive case. You need to know that. It says here, when you highlight, capitalize only the first word after a colon or a dash and proper nouns. The website is Wise Toast. There's the URL. There's no retrieval date, but you can if you want to. Up to you this time. It's not required, but if I want to, I'd click yes. Then I'm going to hit Save Citation. Now when I go to Save Citation, there it is. 12 different types of leadership. July 2nd, 2019. I'm going to see what it is. If I click on it, I can look at what it is. If I want to see what it's going to look like when I put it to a discussion post or as a reference on my research paper, I would hit copy. Then I would go back to my discussion post, and I would come down, I'd add a post, and I'm going to do 12 types of leadership. And now I want to go ahead and put my reference in here. So I'm going to type reference. Now I already copied from Citefast.com, and I am going to right click and then hit paste. And there is my reference for this discussion post. If I wanted to see what it was supposed to look like, if I was going to do an in-text citation in the discussion post itself, I want to cite a particular statement, I'm going to click in-text, and there is the in-text. I would highlight the in-text, I'd hit copy, and then I'm going to go back to the discussion post, and at the end of the passage that I want to give credit to this author, I would go ahead, before putting the punctuation, I'd paste in what I just copied from citefast.com and then put a period at the end. So this is the citation for our reading. And I'm going to go ahead and hit right click. I'm going to hit paste, and then I'm going to put a period at the end. I want to make sure I have a space here. And now this is properly cited for your discussion post or for your references. If I go back to citefast.com, you can see anything that I'm saving there will be there. And it sees a web page. If I wanted to do a book, if I wanted to do a journal, if I had any of these other, it's going to show you and walk you through the process of creating an APA 7th edition citation. It's going to create a reference for your reference page and a citation, in-text citation, for your paper or discussion post. Well, I hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good one.